Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So this video is basically for making you understand the instructions to the candidates. Okay, and also I will try to suggest you what to do and what not to do in GATE exam while doing the question paper, while writing your examination. Okay, so first of all we will try to understand what are the instructions which is for the candidates. Okay, so these instructions are very important because sometimes people in exam because of examination fear and examination pressure they forget to follow these instructions. Okay, so you need to remember these things before going to the examination and also inside the examination hall. Okay, so first of all you need to take print of your admit card. Okay, so printed copy of admit card is very necessary for writing your examination. Okay, so you need to take the printout of your admit card, and if you will take it in color copy, so that will be good. Okay, and the next and important thing is that valid photo identity card. Okay, valid photo ID. Okay, so whatever ID you have given during the application. Okay, and also they mentioned on your admit card, like suppose someone uploaded the Aadhaar card, then they will mention that the ID photo ID is Aadhaar card, and they will also mention the ID, the last four digits. Okay, so you need to take the valid photo ID, whatever you have uploaded during the application form. Okay, and as an alternative, you can take PAN card. Okay, PAN card, DL, that is driving license, employee ID, or college ID also. Okay, so college, if you have college ID, you can take it as. Okay, suppose this valid photo ID card is in poor quality, so you can take these identity card in as an alternative. Okay, so employee ID, college ID, voter ID card. Okay, so these all are as an alternative. Okay, and Aadhaar card is also, but here I assume that you have uploaded Aadhaar card, that's why I told you the alternative ID cards. Okay, and passport is also there. So passport is also valid photo ID card. Okay, so the next thing is that you should remember that reach your exam center before 60 minutes. Okay, because this is the COVID situation, and they will take your temperatures. They will find that whether your temperature is above 99.4 degree Fahrenheit or not. Okay, so sorry, centigrade. Okay, so if they will find that the above that temperature, so they will send you for isolation for some times, and they will recheck that temperature, and then only they will let you go into the examination center. Okay, so that's why take sufficient time before reaching your examination center. Okay, so the next thing is that you will not be allowed to log in your log in your system log in your system 30 minutes after the after the start of the examination. Okay, so suppose your time is 3 p.m. Okay, so they will not let you log in after 3:30. Okay, suppose just in case if you are late on examination center, suppose due to the traffic problem or any other reason. Okay, so they will not let you write for examination. Okay, so please keep this in mind that maximum 30 minutes will be allowed after the start of the examination. Okay, the next thing is that do not carry the calculator. Okay, they will provide you virtual calculator. Do not carry your calculator, whatever you are using in your home. Okay, while the practicing, so they will provide a virtual calculator on the display during the examination. Okay, so you need not to carry your calculator. Okay, so the next thing is that carry your pencil. Okay, pencil. You can carry transparent water bottle. Okay, but it should be transparent water bottle. And the next is that hand sanitizer. Okay, so hand sanitizer is must for this situation. Okay, because this is COVID situation, so you need to carry your hand sanitizer, that is pocket type. Okay, and also mask is also important thing due to the COVID-19 situation. So this is the government guidelines, that's why you need to take this hand sanitizer and mask. Okay, and you may carry hand gloves also. So the next thing is that these all are the necessary thing that is instructed to the candidates to be done during the examination and before the examination. Okay, so these are the points you should be follow that exam day. Okay, so the next thing is that I want to suggest you few things that while writing your examination, don't get panic. Okay, so the first thing is that don't get panic. Don't get panic. Okay, and let's suppose a case that you open your question paper and you don't know the answer of three or four questions from the beginning. Okay, so in that case, don't get panic, because sometimes questions are arranged in that manner that you don't know the answers of those in sequence. Okay, so suppose if you don't know the answers of that three four questions, move to the fifth question. Okay, that maybe that fifth question is waiting for you, and that will be easy. Okay, so that fifth question may give you 1 marks. Okay, and suppose if you will stay at the three four questions and you will say that you will think that I have done this topic and I am not doing this question, I will do that question. Okay, so that will totally the wastage of time. Okay, so you are wasting your time at that three four questions, because after that three four questions, maybe that fifth to 25th questions are waiting for you for your answers. Okay, so these questions may be easy, so that's why don't stuck at any questions in the examination. Okay, so before examination, do the revision of formula sheet. Okay, revision of formula sheet, I already told you, make a formula sheet for examination and do the revision of these formula sheet. Okay, and do matching type of questions from previous year paper. Matching type of questions gives you a lot of concept. Okay, matching type of questions gives a lot of concept in form of MSQs and in form of MCQs questions. They may ask the questions from these matching type of questions which is from previous year papers. Okay, and matching type of questions are also repetitive from the previous years. Okay, so do all these things, that revision of formula sheet and revision of your short notes for your examination. Okay, and the next thing is that now don't go for new topic. Okay, don't go for new topic, because new topic may waste your time and maybe they will not ask any questions from these new topics. Maybe that might be. Okay, suppose if they will ask, that will be more than that will not be more than of 2 marks. So that's why you cannot you can leave this topic here. Okay, and suppose if you did not study any topic, so any you left any topic, so don't go now. Okay, whatever you have studied till now, go through those topics and revise all your whole syllabus. Okay, and go through the previous year papers just for revision purpose. Go through our playlist of GATE metallurgy practice series and watch all videos. Those videos will be beneficial for revision purpose. And also you can go through the individual numerical problems, that is NAT type in mechanical metallurgy, physical metallurgy, manufacturing and extractive metallurgy type of questions. Okay, so these all are the instructions for you guys before the examination and during the examination. Okay, and one more thing, don't get panic anytime during the examination or before or after the examination. Okay, and this, first of all, try to make a strategy also. Okay, so strategy is also important, just because you have two sections. First one is empty or aptitude. So prepare yourself that whether you will start from aptitude or whether you will start from empty, that is metallurgical section. Okay, so choose one of the section and try to make a strategy, more strategy that first of all you will do 1 mark question or 2 marks question. Okay, so suppose if you will do 1 mark question, so allot the time that in beginning and 1 hour I will do 1 mark question, and rest of the 2 hours I will do 2 marks questions in during the examination. Okay, and also be ready for facing any type of problem, because maybe that your plan will not work accordingly that you thought. Okay, so be ready for changing your plan anytime during the examination also. Suppose you thought that you will do the aptitude question first because your aptitude is good, but in case if this aptitude will be a tough part, so you should have leave this topic at that time. Okay, because maybe that empty section will be waiting for you for gaining your marks. Okay, so you can go through the empty section at that time and you can do the questions, so that you can get some confidence, and you will when you will be written in aptitude part, you may do the questions at your own by that confidence only. Okay, so don't lose your confidence at any time during the examination also. Okay, and also first of all after seeing the questions understand what is the level of question, means whether it is moderate type or tough type. Because if you will have idea about the level of examination, so you may assume that cutoff may be around 40-50. Okay, if you prepared well, you will get that what is the level of that examination, because you already analyzed those previous year papers. So now you have some idea about the level of the examination. Okay, so first of all, try to cross those cutoff level, that is 40 to 50, in between 40 to 50, and after that try to add 5 marks from anywhere, from 2 marks question, from 1 mark question, and another 5 marks plus another 5 marks. Okay, so do the step by step. Don't directly think that you will do 65 marks or you will do 85 marks. Okay, try to do step by step, like first of all try to get the cutoff mark, and after that add plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 in the examination, so that you can maintain your accuracy, and also you can avoid the silly mistakes for maintaining these marks. Okay, so first of all try to do the questions for those you are sure. Okay, so sure sort will be beneficial during the examination for getting your this cutoff mark only. Okay, so go through the whole paper for finding the sure sort questions. Okay, so this is all about this examination pattern and instruction from my side. You can add any plan, any strategy here. Okay, and also discuss with us if you find any problem during making the plans. Okay, so all the best for your examination. Okay, and hope you will write your gate examination very best. Okay, so all the very best for your gate examination.